Let's talk about PosiJet.
PosiJet is a new setup of the main nozzle, and this will be available in a 4-channel version. What is PosiJet exactly doing? Well, PosiJet will position the tube of the main nozzle of the yarn that has to be inserted in the best possible position to be inserted in the reed. And this will give you two big advantages. The first big advantage is that setting the insertion parameters of the different channels will be made much more easy, as all these differences have been eliminated. So this will save time in setting. A second big advantage is also save on cost. Because you will always insert the yarn from the same optimum position, there is no more need of reeds with a conical entrance, and these reeds are quite expensive. So PosiJet means saving time of setting and saving cost of the reed.
Up to the next speaker.